G'day, I'm Tyson Golder from Golders Roma, Toowoomba and Tbone Longreach, and I'm here today to talk to you about your faithful Akubra. If you have had an Akubra and you love wearing it, you'll find that it becomes part of you. So what do you do when you have set-in rain, big rainy events? Obviously some of our country doesn't get it that often, but there's areas that do, and what do you do with your faithful Akubra? Well, you really need a roof for your Akubra, don't you? And how can you get a roof for your Akubra? Is the plastic hat cover. So the plastic hat cover is a must if you're in those conditions, because it has elasticated band on it. You are in a situation that it only takes really a few seconds to put it on, and what it will do is basically protect your hat. So it is really the roof for your Akubra. The plastic hat covers are available at Golders Roma, Toowoomba and Tbone Longreach. They're also available on the website golderstoowoombaroma.com and also tbonelongreach.com, and this is where you can find these plastic hat covers. They are great. They're probably one of those saviours that people in the bush know about, but they really should be available to everyone. So I'm Tyson Golder from Golders Roma, Toowoomba and Tbone Longreach. You have a good day.